Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to turn on and turn off vibration on your POCO X6 Pro. So we're gonna start with opening the settings. We're gonna scroll a little bit down to the sound and vibration section. And here we're gonna scroll again. So here we are, vibrate for calls and vibrate in silent mode. So you can turn off vibration for incoming calls just by simply pressing on this toggle. And when it's gray, it means it's off. And to turn it back, you can simply press on it again. And you can also turn off vibration in the silent mode. So when your phone not make any audible sounds for calls, messages, or alerts, it will not even make a vibration. So just simply tap on this toggle to turn it off or on. And here you can also find haptic feedback. It means every time you touch your phone, it vibrates, and you can also turn it off or turn it on just by tapping on this toggle. And also you can regulate the haptic feedback. You just need to tap on this scroll and swipe it to the left or to the right. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to learn more about POCO X6 Pro, subscribe to my channel.